Hey nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. Born Pretty was kind enough to send me over a few of their new products. I will be unboxing these and I will be showing you a fun and simple nail design. So if you want to see, please keep watching.
The view. You do? Yes. You're my best view. Yeah, I like the view. I like the view.
Jumping straight into these products, I do have a total of 6 products. 2 of these are glitter top coats and they both have some flakes inside here. This first one has some gold flakes inside it. It's a really yellow gold kind of flake color in this one. And then the other glitter top coat, which is the exact same product, except that the color of the flake is a little bit different. So whereas that first one was more on a yellow gold, I would definitely say this one is on a softer gold, kind of like semi-bronze, semi-gold, like in between color. I actually really like this kind of gold color than that bright, kind of gold one. But anyway, both of these are glitter top coats, so if you wanted to add a little bit of sparkle to your nail design, you can definitely use these too. Here's how they both are looking. Now we're going to move on to some other products here, and I have 2 of these luminous Macaron gel colors. This first one is a purple color. I'm not quite sure about the luminous aspect of it because I was thinking when I put it into the UV lamp, maybe it's going to give off some sort of, glowy vibe. I didn't quite see that. And you can see that the texture is a little bit different. Like there is something mixed in with it that's changing the texture of this product. But I will definitely have to use it again to see what is that luminous factor. Here's the second luminous Macaron. And you can see that this one is a lighter blue. Actually a really pretty kind of baby blue. Reminds me of the sky, or definitely a beach design for the summer. So I'm applying it onto my swatch stick here, as you can see, a little bit on the translucency side. So you're definitely going to need 2, possibly 3 layers of these products to definitely give you the opacity that you might be looking for. But again, as with all Born Pretty products, the quality is definitely there. The price point is definitely there. And if you happen to be interested in any of these products, I will definitely have links down in the description box for you to visit. All right, moving on to this next product here. This is a metallic drawing gel. I was very excited for this one. And they also sent me a brush, which I will show you very soon, momentarily, to use with this. And as you can see, when you open this up, it's like you just melted metal and it was poured into a pot. Pigmented, stunning color. If you love nail art, you're going to enjoy this particular product. Here is the liner brush that they sent me to go with this metallic drawing gel, and I was so grateful that they sent this. I definitely need more nail art brushes, and this is a very fine medium length, well, maybe on the shorter side length of tip right here. So I'm going to dip it into this metallic, and then I'm just going to draw onto the swatch stick so that you can see how precise this nail brush is, how easy it was to do line artwork. This brush is definitely going to get a lot of work on my channel. And as you can see, going on really easy, going on really smooth. The product is not running all over the place, so I really enjoy using drawing gels. I do have a drawing set of painting gels that I will be using very soon, so we're definitely going to pull this brush back out. Very easy to use. All right, so once I have, this design down, and it's not really a design, it's just me showing you how easy it is that you can draw whatever you want to draw, write some letters, some Roman numerals. The possibilities are endless. And I popped these under the UV lamp, and I was trying to see if I could see some kind of luminous from those 2 gel polishes, but I didn't actually see it. So here's how they look once they have been cured, and I applied some super top coat, and that's how they all look. All right, let's get into the nail application. I'm going to be using my 3XL stilettos. I've already primed and etched the inside of the nails as well as file around that cuticle area. I'm going to be using the Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue to apply these nails to my natural nail. And I also have my mini UV LED lamp here just to flash cure them. I will flash cure them for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once I'm flash curing all of the nails, then I will pop them under my larger UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. All right, here's how the nails are looking. They might look a little weird at the moment. Again, I still have some leftover products onto my nail, and I'm trying my best to not do too much damage to the nails. I've already done some damage to those nails as well, so I'm definitely trying to keep them in a better state. So anywho, we applied a layer of base gel onto the nail, and I want to do a jelly and glitter French fade ombre. I think that's the word I'm looking for. So I'm going to go in with Born Pretty's Jelly Nude Gel Polish, and I'm only going to go to about 50% of the nail. Then I'm going to take that glitter top coat, not that yellow gold one. I'm going to take that softer gold in the middle, like the bronzy, but it looks like gold. You guys know what I mean. So I'm going to take this, and then I'm just going to ombre this out to the tip of the nail. Okay, here's how the nail is looking once I have one coat onto the nail. Obviously, I will need to build this up. So I'm going to go in with a second layer of the jelly as well as that glitter top coat over the nail once more again. Moving on to the other nails, I'm just going to go ahead and apply base gel to all of these nails and give them a cure under the UV lamp for 30 to 45 seconds. For my index, my middle, and my pinky finger, I will go in with a full coverage of the Jelly Nude Gel. And then for the ring finger, I'm going to be doing the exact same design as I did on my thumb, which just is half of the nail is a jelly and then half of the nail is a glitter top coat. I will be doing 2 layers of the gel polishes on all of the nails. Once all of the nails have been cured and they have both of their 2 layers on, now it's time for us to do a little bit of nail art. So we're going to get started by doing, I saw this trend on Instagram. I don't know if it's still trendy, but I have seen it numerous times and I know that I've always wanted to do it. I have no idea what it's called. Essentially, you draw a line down the center of the nail, and then at the top of the nail and at the bottom of the nail, you kind of draw an upside down French. I have no idea how to explain it. So I'm just gonna let you watch me do it. So if you know what it's called, definitely let me know down in the comment section. But I thought it was so unique and it was such a clean abstract nail. So definitely give this a try, guys. I've seen this on Instagram a few times. All right, we have successfully drew our two fingers, and doing line work on camera definitely is a challenge, but I wanted to try to leave in as much of the work how I do it so that you can try to do it yourself. And we were all over the place, like things was falling down, glitter was spilling, base gel was over here, like it was it was all over the place. Like, I mean, it's always all over the place. All right, once I'm done, I cure that metallic drawing gel, and then I go over with some super top coat from Born Pretty again, and then I will pop these two fingers under the UV lamp. Now we're going to move on to the ring finger design and the thumb. And I knew that once I had this color down, it was giving me vintage vibes. So I had these charms here that we got from Shein a while back that I haven't used yet. And I said, you know what? It's time for me to use these. So I pulled out some rhinestones. These were some gray rhinestones because that heart has gray rhinestones in it. And then I had some black rhinestones here. And so I thought maybe I could add some black rhinestones in case I used the black flower. So it was just a process of trying to figure out what to do. And then I had these black roses here. So what I did was I line up all of the charms, and then I line up, I was here, this was 20 minutes, I'm excluding the 20 minutes that I sat here to figure out how I'm going to do my crystal placement. And I finally figured it out, and I said, you know what, I think we're going to go with the heart, and we're going to make this a, kind of bleeding heart, kind of Guns and Roses. I don't know, it was just giving me, I don't know what to call it, guys. When it hits you, it hits you. I think I've mentioned this before. Just wait for the design to hit you, and then it'll hit you. So I apply some top coat, super top coat. And now I'm going to go in with my Macaron rhinestone glue. Just going to put a little blob of this down the center of the nail. Then we're going to go ahead and put on the charms one by one. I do the ring finger on camera, but I do the thumb off camera. And also, I think I need a stronger bling adhesive. I think I've seen people speak about Zulés. So if you have any recommendations for bling adhesive, definitely let me know, because this was kind of sliding, and like this charm is a little bit heavier than typical charms. But this was sliding all over the nail. It could be because I'm using stilettos and not something that has like a flatter surface, but it was a struggle. Like everything was gliding all over the place with this Macaron rhinestone glue. So again, I definitely need to have something a little bit more stronger. Yeah. Anyway, I thought I just mentioned that. All right, so we are done with the ring finger, and we're done with that thumb. Now we're going to move on to the pinky, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some super top coat onto this, cure that under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And then we're actually going to go in with some more of this metallic painting gel, and we're going to do some opposite drips. So usually the drips would come down from the top of the nail, but I'm actually going to do the drips dripping from the bottom of the nail, dripping upwards. I hope that makes sense. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to put my dots down, and then I will connect the dots to the dripping.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
All right, easy peasy lemon squeezy. How simple was that nail design? Here's a final look of the nails after everything has been cured. Hope you guys enjoyed this fun tutorial. Definitely give this design a try. Thank you again to Born Pretty, and I will see you in the next video.